Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Fidelity to buy index funds. Fidelity is a well-established online brokerage firm that offers a wide range of investment products, including index funds. Index funds are a type of investment that tracks a specific stock market index, such as the S&P 500. To get started, you will need to open a Fidelity account. This can be done online by visiting the Fidelity website and following the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, as well as fund your account with an initial deposit. Once your account is open, you can begin searching for index funds to buy. Fidelity offers a wide range of index funds, including those that track domestic and international markets. You can search for funds by name, ticker symbol, or by browsing through the various categories. When selecting an index fund, there are several key factors to consider. These include the fund's expense ratio, which is the annual fee charged by the fund manager, as well as the fund's tracking error, which measures how closely the fund follows its underlying index. You should also consider the fund's investment minimum, which is the minimum amount of money required to invest in the fund. To buy an index fund through Fidelity, simply log into your account and navigate to the trading platform. From here, you can enter the ticker symbol of the fund you wish to buy, or search for the fund by name. Once you have selected the fund, you can enter the amount of money you wish to invest and confirm the transaction. It is also important to consider your overall investment strategy and goals when buying index funds. Index funds can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk, but they may not be suitable for all investors. It is always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. In addition to buying individual index funds, Fidelity also offers a range of pre-built portfolios and investment plans. These can be a great option for investors who are new to index funds or who want a more hands-off approach to investing. Overall, using Fidelity to buy index funds is a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps and considering your overall investment goals and strategy, you can start investing in index funds today. Remember to always do your research and consider your options carefully before making any investment decisions.